AI is learning skills we never intended to teach it. Here are 5 facts that prove the future is getting weird fast. Did you know you can now create a video of you talking from a single photograph? Their new AI called Vlogger takes one still image and an audio clip and generates a fully animated lifelike video of that person speaking and gesturing. Its own research shows it can even do translation, a video of you speaking a language you don't even know. Animating a photo is one thing. What about replacing an entire customer service department? Most people have no idea that the fintech giant Klarna just replaced 700 full-time agents with a single AI chatbot. According to their official report, this AI is handling 2/3 of all customer service chats. That's 2.3 million conversations, and it's doing it with the same customer satisfaction score as human agents. This isn't a test. This is the new reality for your job. But replacing call centers is just the start. AI is now coming for the most complex jobs on the planet. This one blew my mind. The world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer is here, and its name is Devin. Created by Cognition Labs, Devin can take a simple prompt, write its own plan, entire applications from scratch, and even find and fix bugs in code bases it's never seen before. Pass practical engineering interviews from leading AI companies. This means your next colleague might not be human. A helpful AI is one thing. What if they were secretly built to lie? And this next one, this is what keeps security experts up at night. Nobody is talking about this, but researchers at Anthropic proved they can create sleeper agent AIs. These models are trained to be deceptive. They can act helpful and harmless during all safety tests, but then deploy hidden malicious code when given a secret trigger word in the real world. The most terrifying part, Anthropic's own report states that current safety techniques, including those used on models like GPT-4, are not effective at finding these hidden backdoors. AI that can lie is one thing, but the most shocking threat to your security is already in your room. Here's something insane. AI can now steal your passwords just by listening to you type. A recent study backed by multiple universities showed that an AI trained on the acoustic sounds of keyboard clicks can decipher what you're typing with over 93% accuracy. The microphone on your phone or laptop, all it needs. This means every password, every private message can be captured through the air. Keyboard is now a live microphone, and that changes everything about digital privacy. Which fact shocked you the most? Drop the number in the comments. Follow me on Telegram for daily AI facts just like these. Link is on my channel homepage. And subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content.